Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are unboxing the Kaabo Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. If you aren't hip to what this machine is all about, I'll just say this. The Wolf Warrior 11 Plus is not your last mile solution. This scooter is a burnout cure. It's for your inner wild child. This is the scooter you ride when you need to get your soul back. Before unboxing, just a quick word if you're looking to buy one of these beasts. I'm in the United States. I ordered my Wolf from Fluid Freeride. If you're in a country that has a reputable PEV dealer, I strongly recommend you utilize them. You can always go direct to AliExpress for some potential savings, but that's on you. I would much rather avoid that headache and defer the responsibility of ensuring a quality unit to a business with a wholesome reputation for customer service and already has an established relationship with a wholesaler overseas. Now, if you treat yourself to one of these magnificent beasts, here's what to expect. The scooter alone weighs 105 pounds, so be sure you're ready to handle the weight of this package. It will come mostly assembled and encased in a shell of thick, protective styrofoam. Thankfully, mine arrived showing minimal wear to the shipping box. I did notice a gouge in the side where the kickstand had broken through the cardboard. This was annoying because, as per the instruction manual, these are supposed to be shipped with the kickstand detached, probably for this exact reason. Luckily, no damage had been transferred to the body of the scooter. When you first open the box, you will find your standard 1.7 amp charger cable, or cables depending on how you spec your order. Fluid Freeride included a second charger free when I ordered my Wolf. And then sitting atop the styrofoam packaging, you will also find the iconic Kaabo Wolf Warrior badge that attaches to the front of the scooter. Kaabo also includes a very chintzy multi-tool with the scooter to help with initial setup. While this gesture is appreciated, the tool itself is basically disposable, and I don't see it standing up to much use. You should probably buy a quality set of hex keys for future maintenance needs. The last thing sitting atop the packaging is your instruction manual. For additional accessories, I did go ahead and order the fast charger. I wanted the ability to control the rate and capacity to which I charged. I also bought a bottle of Armadillo's tire sealant and a set of backup street tires. Unless you plan to ride in difficult off-road terrain frequently, the street tires will handle most of your riding needs very well. Once you remove the upper layer of packaging, the moment you've been waiting for, a brand spanking new Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. Pictures or videos on YouTube will never do it justice. This machine is big. Even after all the research I did before buying this scooter, I was startled when I first saw it in person. Look at the 11-inch wheels. Look at those huge headlights. You will geek out. This thing is worth every penny. At this point, you can hoist this massive scooter out of its box. As I mentioned, the kickstand had gouged a hole in the side of my shipping box, so I had to pry it free before finally pulling the scooter out. After carefully setting it on the ground, you have to remove some plastic and styrofoam wrapping. Probably a good idea to have a blade or some scissors on hand for this. I propped my Wolf onto some car ramps to make this process a little easier. Once the scooter is free from all its packaging, you will need to lock the stem into place before attaching the handlebars. Take care to ensure you don't pinch any cables during this initial setup. The stem lock can be a little frustrating until you get used to it. When it's latched properly, it should feel as solid as if it was welded in place. I'll provide a link to a separate video that will show you exactly how to do that. There are some markings to help you align the handlebars onto the stem. Lock those down tight and then the only thing left to do is adjust the brakes and the eye controller to your ergonomic preference. And just like that, your scooter is ready to ride. I would take a note of the mileage on your scooter at this point, and also go through and adjust the P settings. You will want to limit the torque until you get used to the power of the Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. Additionally, I strongly recommend setting the scooter to kickstart as you learn to ride. This way, an accidental pull of the throttle from a stop will not result in you crashing your brand new scooter. Note, the battery will also most likely not be charged to full capacity, so resist the urge to go out on a marathon and complete your first ride with your first walk of shame. Well, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. I hope it was informative, and if you're feeling the content, please consider subscribing and leaving a thumbs up on the video. As always, leave your comments and questions below, and I'll absolutely get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.